and today we have the Power Probe butane soldering iron. So the nice thing about this is its size. You could put it in your backpack, you could throw it in your glove compartment, you could even put it in your purse if you had to. Well, first you have to empty out your purse. And now you're ready to go out and take care of your children and do any soldering while you're out. In this kit, you're going to get a sponge, various bits, 2 wrenches, some solder, and of course the soldering iron itself. Overall, it feels well constructed. It doesn't feel cheap by any means. I haven't had much time to use it, but the little bit of time that I have used it, I'm very satisfied with it. And mine already has some butane in it, but I'm just going to go ahead and top it off to show you how it's done. It's very easy to do. So at this point, I've only been running it for about 40 seconds, and you can see we have a high of 276 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to bump it up to its max setting. And I kept just trying to get different readings, but the highest I got was 326 degrees. Here I'm turning it off just so I could change the tip on it. Something with a bit more of a flat surface to kind of make it easier to get the solder going. These vice grip wire strippers work great. I've had them for some time and they just make the job so much easier. Now I'm not the best at soldering, but that's good enough. So let's go ahead and try this one more time. So there you go. The proof is in the pudding. That's it, guys. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.